Today we're checking out the Sleep A10 Bluetooth Sleep Earbuds by Soundcore. These have a 4-point noise masking system, custom dynamic drivers, and these are going to be smaller and more lightweight than your typical Bluetooth earbuds. They're also going to have sleep monitoring and a personal alarm clock. And then of course these are going to work with the Soundcore app you can get on the App Store or on Google Play. Really nice presentation here. They even have instructions here on how to wear these. You've got extra ear tips and ear wings here in the middle. They're also going to give you some tips over here about volume adjustment, adaptive noise masking, and sleep data as well. Wow, these are really small. You can see they've already got the ear wings on there. They're recommending the ear tips here in the middle. Let's go ahead and try those. So you can see the ear tips themselves are almost the size of the earbuds. You're also going to get a quick start guide, safety and warranty information. You also get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Really nice charging case with these. USB-C charging there in the back. You've also got a pairing button there as well. The top just kind of slides over. Indicator lights there on the front to tell you what the charging case is at. Now for the earbuds themselves, you've got indicator lights on the inside to show that they're charging and when in pairing mode. You can pair these just like you would any other earbuds, or you can pair these through the Soundcore app. As far as the controls go, you just tap twice to play and pause, or tap the left earbud twice to switch between music mode and sleep mode. You can also customize these controls in the Soundcore app. If you switch to sleep mode, it starts playing sounds like running water or like it's raining outside. It's actually pretty relaxing. And then once it's in that mode, you can also use the right earbud to play and pause that as well. In case you're wondering, you're not going to get wireless charging with these. Sound quality on these actually sound really nice. They're not going to be quite as loud as some other earbuds out there, but again, you got to keep in mind these are made for when you're sleeping, so you don't really need them to be as loud as you would during the day. But whether you're watching YouTube videos, listening to music, a podcast, or you've just got these switched over to the sleep mode where it has nature sounds, I feel like they all sound pretty good with these earbuds. I also didn't notice too much lag or delay when watching YouTube videos, playing games, those types of things. So you could probably use these just as normal earbuds as well. Now surprisingly, while sleeping with these, they're actually more comfortable than you would think. They didn't seem to fall out or anything. For me, I prefer the nature sounds while I'm sleeping versus music or someone talking. Now the other thing to keep in mind, since these are made for while you're sleeping, there is no built-in mic, which actually kind of makes sense. That way they can make these a little bit smaller. You don't have to have as much stuff in them, like microphones. And then of course, build quality on these, really nice, as always by Soundcore. If you're looking for earbuds while you sleep, I feel like these should definitely be at the top of your list. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.